Amal Knight, goalkeeper of Harborview.
So, Sir Amal, what's your thought, with fans in the stadium now, the government relaxing the curfew rule and Desmond McKenzie giving the okay for the JPL to have fans?
I think it's very good. The league needed the funds, and the players needed the funds also. I think, truth be told, the fans create a certain atmosphere that the players need, and it's welcoming. I'm really happy that the fans are here today, and hopefully we can continue and maximize on the capacity to have fans week in, week out.
Oh, what's the feeling like though playing on this surface and the AstroTurf? What's the difference?
I think the AstroTurf is a bit harsh on the players' legs. It's really hard, especially when you have a 1 o'clock and a 3 o'clock match versus when you have a grass field now. The players are a bit relaxed. The players don't have to worry about any hard injuries. It's grass, so you just have to have the proper footwear on the day when you're playing on the different surfaces. But I think the AstroTurf is really toxic on the players' body, and truth be told, the more we can get games on the grass, I think it's really important for the guys in the league.
You made some brilliant save in this game. I saw one where the penalty kick also, they missed one, and I saw one where Vishal Arish kick one and you made a point blank save there. What's the feeling like though with those shots coming after you?
It's just my job. This is what I'm paid to do. So at the end of the day, I told two of my teammates that, hey, we made a mistake on the field, and at the end of the day, I'm here to protect the goal, and that's my job. So at any given time, whenever I'm called up and I must deliver, not all the times you're gonna save a shot, but today I felt really good in the warm-up, and I just took it over in the game, and I have 2 back-to-back clean sheets now, so I'm really thankful. So it's just to improve on the team performance. As I said, this is not just Amal Knight, it's just a team performance. So we are Harborview, and we're the Gold and Blue Royalists, so we'll always do what we can to win games.
Thank you very much. This is I Am Sure Sports, and respect.
All right,
Hope you
thanks,
guys will win the other game.
All right, thank you.